What's good, y'all? We're talking about some business funding options for your business. No matter what industry you might be in, you could be, a coach, you could be doing software, you could be in construction, you can be a physician or a dentist, any of those industries. I have 3 different funding options. This company gives you really fast funding, and you'll get to see some of the time frames, and the paperwork is very minimal. Usually 3 months bank statements is all you're going to need. And I'm going to go over the different options that you have. Again, 3 that you can get from this company. There are more, but we're going to cover 3 today. And this isn't for every business. We're going to start with bad credit all the way to good credit. And for the good credit side, you need to have at least a 600 plus score, so not really all that high anyway. Revenue needs to be at least 40-50K a month coming in. So if that sounds like you, then come on and continue to listen. And if you know somebody else that this might be a better fit for, that needs funding for their business, whether they're trying to get employees or pay their employees, get some more employees, get some inventory, get some equipment, anything that they might need funding for, we have an option here that they can possibly use. So let's get started again, starting with some of the lower credit score options, like the equipment financing. With this, you just have to have 1 year in business. You have to have at least a 550 plus FICO score, and you have to have a business bank account, of course, and an invoice is required for the equipment. Now, with this, you can get anywhere from 50,000 to 10 million. So you can get 1 to 5 year terms, and the rates start at 7%. Now, also, you're going to want to look at the fact that they have high approval ratings for this equipment financing, because of course this is secured financing, but it's specifically for equipment. You can get up to same day decisions if you have all your paperwork in order. So it's a really fast way to actually get something. They got 100% financing available, so you wouldn't have to put a down payment, no industry restrictions. And like I said, with this equipment financing, I believe you can use this for like a big software purchase that you might need for your company as well. And they have purchase and leasing options, whichever one you're trying to do. Now, if you're unfamiliar with the company, their name is National Business Capital, and I will have a link to them down in the description if you want to go ahead and check them out. You can fill in the information and get somebody to call you and talk to you about what your options might be and get your information, all of that. Now, the next option I wanted to talk about is a business term loan. Now, with this, you can qualify if you have at least a year in business, a 600 plus FICO score, and again, that 40-50,000 I was talking about in monthly deposits coming into your bank account, or in annual sales. With this, you can get up to $10 million as far as the business loan goes. They have competitive rates. You can get 1 to 2 year terms, and there's no prepayment penalty. Now, also, you can see over here that you can get a same day decision with this. They have firm approvals, digital application, and the online checkout. So it's really simple and easy to do. There's no prepayment penalty. There's weekly and monthly payments available. So whichever one works for you and your business and your cash flow, and you can consolidate up to 2 loans that you might already have. So that's how this business term loan can help you as well. Okay, now the third option that we're going to talk about, and if you're getting value from this video so far, make sure you hit the thumbs up video, and also put in the comments which one of these loan options or funding options you think is going to be the best one for you that you've heard throughout the video. Let me know that down in the comments, and let me know what you need funding for your business for. Is it for equipment? Is it for employees, inventory? What is it that you actually need funding for? Now, for this particular option, the unsecured business line of credit, to qualify, 1 year in business, at least a 600 plus FICO score, again, that 40 to 50,000 in monthly deposits into your bank account. You can get credit lines of up to 250,000, and again, this is unsecured, so you don't have to secure it against something that you have or assets in your business. They have simple interest on it, and you can get online access to your funds if you want to try to pull from this line of credit. You can get approved based on your cash flow. There's same day draw availability, so once you're approved, you can draw from it the same day. Limited documents to qualify, so you don't really have to have a bunch of documentation, as I mentioned, to qualify for this. It's revolving credit, of course, so once you use it, you can pay it down and then use it again, unlike a loan, which you would have to keep continuously taking out a new loan and getting approved for a new loan once you're done with the loan that you already have and you need another one. So this is very good option because of that. Only pay on the amount that you draw, so if you have not used it, you don't have to pay anything, which is awesome. And each payment frees up additional available funds, which is what I just mentioned. So again, this company is National Business Capital, and like I said, they do have a bunch of different options These are just the 3 that I thought would be the most important to you guys, and they vary in what you have to qualify for them. And if you want to learn more about some other business funding opportunities, go ahead and check out this next video so you can get some more business opportunities for funding.